Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like your carrier AC to turn on or shut off automatically at a certain time, the timer feature can be extremely convenient. Whether you're trying to save energy or want a comfortable room temperature before bedtime, using the timer settings on the carrier AC remote makes everything much easier. Fortunately, setting the timer doesn't require any special tools or technical experience. With just a few adjustments, you can schedule your carrier AC to operate according to your routine. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy steps that may help you set the timer on your carrier AC remote. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the carrier AC and point the remote toward the indoor unit. Step 2. Press the timer button available on the carrier AC remote. Step 3. Adjust the desired timer duration for the carrier AC using the control buttons. Step 4. Confirm the selected timer setting on the display of the carrier AC remote. Step 5. Make sure the carrier AC has received the timer command successfully. Step 6. Verify that the carrier AC operates according to the programmed timer setting.